Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a teardown of a wireless power bank. This one has sadly reached the end of its life. As you can see, the battery inside has swollen. Just to be clear, I'm not recommending that you try this unless you know what you're doing. Swollen batteries can be dangerous, so please be careful and never puncture or bend them. I'm not going to replace the battery. The goal today is simply to demonstrate the disassembly process. I'll be using only basic improvised tools, no expensive repair kits needed. Today's professional equipment includes a plastic card, a screwdriver, a couple of guitar picks, and alcohol. Not for drinking, but for cleaning the sticky mess inside. Trust me, there's always plenty of residue. First, I carefully pry open the outer casing, trying not to break the clips that hold it together. Then, we'll take a closer look at the swollen battery to see just how bad the damage is. After that, I'll disconnect it from the board and clean up the remains of glue and tape. Manufacturers love to use plenty of adhesive, so this step can take some patience. This teardown isn't about fixing the power bank, it's more like a post-mortem. It's a chance to look inside, see how it's built, and maybe learn something for future repairs. So sit back, enjoy the teardown, and remember, always treat swollen batteries with respect. Now let's continue carefully, step by step, as I expose the inner components. Bit by bit, we can finally reach the swollen cell, which is the source of all the trouble. At this stage, it becomes clear how dangerous these cells can be. They expand. Now the battery is fully exposed, and the final part of the teardown begins. This step is crucial. I carefully remove the battery from the casing and desolder it from the board to prevent any short circuit. Always handle damaged lithium cells with caution. Never rush when dealing with them.